How to return items using Walmart app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to return items using Walmart app, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Walmart application on your device, and once you open it up, log in into your account. After you log in, you can need to go over the purchase history. So for that, go over the accounts option, tap on it, and once you are there, you can look out for purchase history and tap on it. And then once you tap on purchase history, you can find the item that you wish to return and select it. So choose the specific items from your order that you want to return. And then once you select it, you can choose a return method. So you can select different options available such as return to Walmart store, schedule for pickup, return by mail, or drop off at FedEx location. So you can follow up any of the option available to return the item, and you will be receiving something such as barcode at the store to show at the store, or a selected time, or prepare the item that you will be associating, or return by mail, etc. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and look out for a refund and everything, and tap and submit a return request. And you may need to show your barcode or return email to the associated, and that way you can return the items using the Walmart app. Some items may have specific return policies such as sorted return window for electronics. If you have Walmart Plus membership, you may have additional benefits such as free returns from home. So if you would like to return your items using Walmart app, you may just follow up the simple steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.